convertibles, Oldsmobile,
442
convertible.
Clippies and
If
clampies.
I can
And
find them.
Yeah.
I'm not talking about the ones that are all done, because that won't happen. That's too much.
Now-
That's why they're cheap.
Is run a grinder. No, I would just run a
just wanna
grinder.
hit the
Well, it's
grinder?
here. While it's here, I mean, it's okay. We've got to have a gap, right?
yes, we do.
So let's go ahead and clean this up. You know, clean up from here to here.
Yeah,
That's a cool car.
Go.
do it. Hey, Andre, we're doing what you used to do.
I never did a lot of this.
You had people to do this, huh?
No, it's well, most new cars are unbolt and bolt,
Yeah,
Yeah, this is.
that's no fun.
and I did minor. I didn't do major because I didn't have a frame machine or anything. I could never talk very straight.
I straightened out my truck with a tree and some chain.
That's how I do it.
Yeah, I've done that too.
That's how I do it. This is looking pretty good. I'm kind of liking it.
It's because the doctor measured.
Major medicine marriage now.
Well,
Chris and I just listened to the doctor and we did it.
time and wine things.
That's right. Yeah. Look at that.
August 22. So no, wait, August 21. So without a car.
We were very close to, because we test drove an SS.
Why is that so far
SS
off?
speed, and I really liked it.
That's going to be fun.
It's like a Malibu.
We'll get it.
I'd rather have a Pontiac G8, even though it was uglier inside.
That's not too bad, is it?
No,
Manual was more
and it'll
Oh, yeah.
my knee.
go together better once it's trimmed on the bottom.
Well, that's really what we should do now is work this edge.
Trim that edge.
I think. Or what do you think?
Yeah.
I think we're pretty close to that point.
G8 GXP.
That would work with me. That works for me.
Look at that.
So you guys meet just on Tuesdays?
Just on Tuesdays.
Tuesdays from
6 to
6 to 8, except today was a little late because,
My Corvettes.
oh,
Sherman was
Business to conduct.
conducting
I was-
phone.
club business.
Oh,
Ooh.
you should have told them you're interrupting a club event. How dare you?
Well, I did say that. It's like, hey, we gotta go.
C6 or C5.
You're like, these guys think I'm dead in my shop.
We did.
We did.
I
Tom.
was-
Banging on the window.
Yeah. Yeah,
I
we're
was
like,
ready to call the fire department.
we were worried. We care.
So I don't like it. I like because most cars are unibody now.
It looks like we have a quarter panel, everybody.
No, this is an eighth of a panel.
I was just
It's a
gonna
quarter of a quarter.
Comedian.
There's not one in every crack.
No, I'm being literal. This is the best part.
You can actually shake the whole car with just the clamps. That's incredible.
There we go.
I think the drive shaft's loose. Oh, it'll be
The
fine.
drive shaft's in the back seat.
See, it's in the trunk.
Well, it's everywhere.
It's everywhere. Bobby, the same two covered dishes of food are in this icebox this week that were in there last week.
No, there's one covered dish that's new today.
Okay. The
That's-
other one ought to be pitched out.
The other one's 2-week-old
Be
pie.
damned. Yeah, it's
This one's today old pie.
Oh, okay, all right.
that's pretty fucking close.
That's really good. That's some bang up work.
Actually, looks like you know what you're doing.
Which is funny because I usually cut cars up and just rivet them together. So
Every time I look, my house guests are getting later and later.
Oh, you have any house guests? Yeah. Oh, and a late flight, delayed flight now?
Yeah.
Still late.
I
Late now.
had somebody coming at 2, and I don't think they've arrived.
wow.
Wow.
And they're coming from the East Coast, so it's like midnight.
Well, they were diverting all kinds of stuff earlier.
Yeah, my Lincoln mechanic is flying in today.
Ooh. Bitchin'. That was more like a show and tell, but we kind of had to do that because that was pretty intense.
I don't see a tent. They all blew away, you know.
The homeless in the tents.
Yes,
Got a spare one, sir.
I know.